Okay guys, this is a tutorial on how to set up two dots, but it will work to any libgdx Gradle game. First of all, what we need to do is to install Gradle. To install Gradle, we gotta go to our browser and go to bit.ly/install Gradle, and it's going to go to a tutorial on how to install Gradle, but the only thing you need to do is copy this link here, go to Eclipse, Window, help, install new software, paste the link, and now it should, okay, we gotta paste it here. Okay. Now it's gonna show you the software that is gonna install. So select all and click next, and now it's gonna install Gradle for us. I'm gonna cancel this because I don't wanna install Gradle again. You can also try this link here if it doesn't work. Okay. But yeah. Basically, the only thing that you need to install is Gradle ID, and that is gonna help you to import and export into Gradle. Okay. So now that you have Gradle installed, you gotta click Import Gradle project. Navigate through your where the game is, two dots here, and click Build Model. Now it's gonna compile everything. It's gonna search for the project and have everything set up for you. As easy as that. Okay, we're gonna wait till this finishes. Okay. So okay. Now we gotta click all the folders and finally click Finish. And now we can see here in the console that is working, importing Gradle, and now all the folders are gonna appear in the Project Explorer. Okay, we have the project here. So basically, the core is the core of the game. The Android, it's where all the Android stuff it works. So you need to compile this if you wanna compile to an Android application, and desktop is if you wanna try in your computer before trying into your Android mobile phone. But the whole game is here in code. Okay, this is the whole code of the game, the renderer, asset loader, you know. So now go to the second tutorial on how to import the libraries that you need in order to have this working without the errors here. Go to the second tutorial, please.